Small, 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 like that. Careful now. Yes, like that.
What kind of noise is this again?
Not too much easy.
I wonder if Daddy is there with Mummy. Or that nurse again. This house can never know peace.
Okay, hold it well. Don't move.
At this point, everybody seems to have a special helper. Maybe I too need to call Pastor for counseling.
Mommy, so who is making all that noise in the guest house?
Don't even start with me.
No, I'm serious. Somebody in that guest house sounds very busy. Let me not catch that husband of mine there doing nonsense. Can you imagine? Ever since that nurse came, that man has not attended to me. Mummy, at this point, both of us need serious attention.
Attention from who? You know already. Pastor, the great counselor. Come back here.
No, Mommy.